So this is the fix that I have for the Lemax Family Skating Day Village. What I did was two things. I put petroleum jelly onto the plate here and slathered it all around. It didn't seem to do as much as I wanted to. You may not even have to do this because I don't think it changed the sound too much. Then I noticed this rubber band was weak. It seems like it's the drive train part of that to get it to spin. So I switched it out for a hair dealy, one of those thicker ones that people use. Bit of effort for me to place it on, but it snaps right into place. And after reassembling the whole thing, which was super easy, barely an inconvenience, I was able to test it out and it worked well.